Hello, aspiring call center agent. This is Nayumi Cee once again. For today's topic, we'll talk about sample mock call for retail account, and this is dedicated for newbies just like you. And this is as per request by two of our avid viewers. Her name is Miss NN as well as Miss Rachel Cinto. So shout out to the both of you. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. By the way, just a heads up, what I'll be doing is that I'll be acting as a customer and as an agent as well. So I won't change my voice. It will be the same as it is. I'll just read to you what is the script I created. So make sure to follow along. Alright? So yes, let's begin. The scenario regarding this concern is that customer is calling about the 3 pieces of yellow bikini she ordered that she'll be using for her beach trip, but it didn't arrive on time. She already went back home from that trip, and that's when she found out that the package finally arrived. She is looking to return it back to the shop and is asking for a full refund. Alright, so that's the situation, guys. Most of the time in a retail account, the situation is like delayed shipment, late shipment, or package received late. Alright, so here is the details of this concern. Name of the customer is Miss Coffee Blue. Name of the company is Beach Wear Everywhere, and the order number is 495-031423-101, and the date ordered was March 4, 2021, and the shipping address is 1014 Canal Street, Delaware City, Delaware 15424. And so yes, let's begin. Thank you for calling Beachwear Everywhere. This is Naomi from Retail Department. How can I help you? Hi, this is Coffee Blue. I am calling because I just received a package, or the package I ordered 3 weeks ago. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that you just received your package after 3 weeks of waiting. Can you give me your order number so we can check what happened? It definitely is a long wait. I don't even need them anymore. I am supposed to wear this on my beach trip but wasn't able to. I just came back from my trip and that's when I got these. I no longer need these and I want these returned back to you. The order number is 495-0314-23101. I understand the reason why you want to return it. Let me take a look and see what are the options we have here for you. Oh, sure. I haven't opened the package yet and I'll return it tomorrow. I'll also want to be refunded for this in full. Noted on that. And good news because we can issue you a full refund with this as this is still within our 30-day guarantee. We'll refund you the full $80.99 back to the same card used ending in 2365. Oh great! When will it be available on my card? Also, can you send a return label please? I can print it myself. Oh, the funds will be available to your Visa card in the next 3 to 5 business days. You'll receive an email regarding this refund. I also sent you a UPS return label in your email. Oh, I just got the email. Awesome. I'm all set then. Thanks for your help. Oh, not a problem. It's a pleasure helping you out today. Is there anything else I can help you with apart from this one? Oh, yeah. I do have one more question. Can you tell me why it took too long to arrive? I thought they'll arrive on time. Good thing I was able to replace it right away by buying one at the local store. It was actually an international shipment. The parcel came from Japan. Due to the recent storm, there has been a delay in delivering it. We also sent you a notification regarding the delay. We sincerely apologize it would happen. Oh yeah, I now remember everything. And you're right, I received an alert regarding that, and that's when I thought of just buying one from the local shop. Thank you for answering my question. I'm good now. You're welcome, Miss Blue. And for future reference, you may also request for refund and return in our website online at www.beachweareverywhere.com. This is Nayumi once again. Enjoy your day. Oh, that's good to know. Wonderful. Alright, bye. Enjoy your day too. And that's it, guys. That's how simple it is. So I didn't make this sample video complicated, like the customer is supposed to be angry, but I don't know how to act angry in this sample mock call. So it will just be a smooth conversation, and the customer in this one can easily agree to what the options we have are like she already have a fixed idea in mind of what is it that she wants, and that is to simply return the equipment or return the items back to us and then request for refund. And since she received it within 3 weeks, which is still within the 30-day period, then we have a return or like free return with refund guarantee for that. So that is a promo available for retail accounts most of the time. And it is actually not the customer's mistake why the shipment got delayed. So we might as well need to really give them what they paid us. And then the good thing with that is that the customer did not use the bikini at all. She said that she never opened the package at all and will be happy to return it back to us. Okay, because in terms of bikini, if that's a bikini most of the time and then the customer like tried to wear it already, then it's no longer available for return. We don't allow to do that because that is like for personal hygiene purposes. But since she didn't touch it nor open the package, then it's still acceptable and we can accept that still. Alright, and so that's it. I hope you've got something out of this video, and I will also put the link of my videos about what is retail account all about, like what are the common call drivers in retail accounts and what are my tips in order to survive a retail account. I will also create like sample mock calls for every single scenario in retail, so you got to have an idea what exactly is it, like the process and such, and basically you getting an idea or like the call handling tips and techniques. It's quite easy really because the concerns are just repetitive. It's just that the attitude of every single customer is different. It really varies from time to time. And as you can see from the way I deliver the script, I wasn't too empathetic. I did not apologize because of the inconvenience, because the customer is neutral, so she is not really angry or frustrated at that time. So you don't need to give her like all of the positive words you can think of. So if the customer is somewhat upset about what happened, then that's the time that you can kind of try to match her level of energy and emotion. Alright, so by the way, we do have a Facebook page named Nayumi Cee. Please like that page. And if you have a private message, you can send me a private message. You want me to refer to the same company I'm working with, I can do that. Just send me a message as well. Give me your name and number, and I'll submit it to recruitment team. And also, please make sure to like this video if you like it. Share this video. Follow me on my social media accounts. I have TikTok. I also have Facebook page again, and I also have Shopee account. Please like it. And yeah, comment down below. I read every single comments of yours, and I also reply to it. It may not be as early as possible, but I make time to reply to your comments, guys. And also, when you subscribe to my channel, please make sure to turn on the notification bell button. And yes, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.